Tired of those recurring Hulu charges? Let's get that subscription canceled right from your iPhone in just a few simple steps. First, open the Hulu app on your iPhone, then tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, scroll down until you see Account and tap on it. This will redirect you to the Hulu website in your browser. Here, you might need to log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, find the Manage Plan section and tap on Manage Plan. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page. You should see a button that says Cancel Subscription. Tap that button. Hulu might try to convince you to stay, offering alternatives like pausing your subscription. If you're sure you want to cancel, find and tap the button that says something like Continue to Cancel. Follow the on-screen prompts, usually involving a cancellation survey or reason selection. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation message with the date your access ends. Make sure to take a screenshot for your records. Alternatively, if you subscribe through your Apple ID, open the Settings app, tap your name at the top. Next, tap on Subscriptions. Find Hulu in your list of subscriptions and tap on it. Finally, tap Cancel Subscription, confirm your cancellation, and you're all done. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Hulu subscription. Make sure to confirm the cancellation and note the end date.